Hello, my name is Jared with the Product Options and Customizer app team. Today I'll be doing a quick demonstration of how our upcharge cost displays during checkout. Firstly, I'd like to introduce you to our demo store where you can test all the options our app has to offer, as well as leverage our chat for any questions or concerns you may have. Let's jump into the upcharge feature. To do this, you just click See It in Action. This is generally how it will look. Say, for instance, a customer wants to order a beanie and they want to add a customization to it. As you change the selection, the price also changes. Let's say they want to select the third option and add this to the cart. It will just take a second to adjust the price in the cart. Now we can go to the checkout to see what it will look like. As you can see here, the checkout page then separates the product from the actual customization cost, which is something that Shopify does so that customers can distinctly see the difference between the actual product cost and the customization cost. If you have the Shopify Plus plan, then developers are able to edit the checkout page. However, for regular Shopify customers, Shopify only allows developers the ability to edit the product and cart page, not the checkout page. Customers are unable to edit the checkout page. They will only be able to enter their payment details and proceed. In our experience with our thousands of merchants, they haven't had an issue with the customization display or getting the appropriate order and charges. Of course, your customers can always go back and delete or edit products as they see fit before placing their orders. They can also go back to the product page as well. And that's it. You've successfully set up the feature. You can continue creating unlimited options and adding them to more products as you go along. You're now ready to start taking your orders and adding extra charges for customizations to boost your store's income generation. Feel free to reach out to support at any time at support@productcustomizer.com.